Hello! If you hear a fan, I turned on my fan because it was so hot, but now it's gloomy. So, hey, it's my birthday. I turned 25, which is crazy. Like, it hasn't sunk in, you know. First of all, can you hear that? First of all, I really wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who wished me happy birthday. At 10 in the morning, I gotta go to where I order my cake, and it was pretty far away from my house. And after I took my cake, I went to a flower market to get these beautiful flowers. And then I got home around like 12 p.m. or something, and then one of my cousins came to my house and she delivered all of these gifts for me, this and also this. So we're also going to unbox them in this video. But before that, I also bought some things for myself for my birthday, I guess. I bought two. I was scrolling on TikTok and then there was someone who posted a what's in my bag video, and in that bag it fits an iPad. So I was like, period. But then I look at the caption, it's in Thai language. So I kind of lost hope for a bit, and I was like, wait a minute, that brand is also available here. So I looked up on their e-commerce and they have it. If that's not a fate, I don't know what is. This is the bag. Ta-da! This is actually just like, you know, looking like a typical puffy bag, right? But it fits my iPad, which is so perfect because ever since I got an iPad, I became an iPad kid. So this is my iPad. I need like a perfect size, a medium but not bulky purse for my iPad, and I found it, right? That's like so cool. Okay, just put it here. See, and there is still plenty of room, and it has like a little space here and also like a zipper pocket right here also. Look at that. Like, so the second thing that I bought for myself, a new pair of white shoes. I actually have a pair. It's so worn out. It's basically a junk at this point. So yeah, I couldn't really wear them anymore. And so I went to buy just like a basic white shoes from a local brand. Ta-da! It's a basic white shoes, and to be honest, it reminds me of Air Force Ones. So it started raining, so I'm sorry if you could hear the rain. I don't know if that's your vibe or not. Those are what I bought for myself, and now let's move on to the birthday gifts that I got. I think I know what this is though, because like I kinda got a hint. I think I'm going to unbox this one first, the biggest one. For the sake of the duration, I'm just going to open all the gifts. You know, I am usually the type of that will like open it really nicely, but I am running out of storage. So wow! Ta-da! I got a new bed cover set, I guess. Thank you so much. Second one. Wait, what is this? A canvas? Maybe? Yep, I was right. These are like the painting by numbers. This could be a really great activity for ngabuburit. Yay! I'm going to be painting soon. Okay, next. What is this? Oh! I think this is for the bed, right? This is a pillowcase, I think. And what is this one? Is this for my bantal cinta, aka love pillow? I think, yeah, I think this is for that. Now, I think I'm going to open this one, this small one. I kind of already know what this is. This is a lip balm. I've been wanting to have a lip balm from this brand. This is peppermint. It does smell like peppermint. And now I'm going to open. This is kind of heavy. Let's open this. It smells good. I don't know what this is. Oh my god. It smells so good. I got 3 products from Kerso. This is body lotion. This is body fragrance. And this is a little sample of body lotion. Ta-da! Why is it labeled as Toto? Like, I actually thought it has something to do with toilet. Now on to the last 2. Which one should I open first? Let's open this one. Wow! It's press on nails! Look at the color! It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, on to the last one. This is the last one. I think it's a book. It's a book about learning Korean. So if you don't know, I'm currently learning Korean. I was so excited for this. Those are all the gifts that I got. Thank you so much for all the gifts. 감사합니다. 너무너무 감사합니다. It's the big age of 25. It's like, it's so scary because like 25 back then, like generations back then, I feel like by the age 25 they could achieve so much in life, whereas nowadays I feel like it's not very common. I don't know what's the right word, but I feel like, yeah, it's not very common by the age 25 that you already, you know, conquer the world. I know a lot of things could happen in a year, so you know, we never know in a year, but like right now I feel like I'm still so far behind. There are so many things that I haven't achieved yet in this life, and it's pretty stressful to think about that. Everybody's timelines, it's always different, right? So I try not to compare myself to others. It's really hard, but we don't have the same pattern in life, so I couldn't really compare myself to others because there are some things that they don't experience even though I did, and vice versa. So if you are also in your mid-20s and you've been feeling pretty lost, it's pretty normal to feel that way, and just know that you're not alone. And also on 24, I feel like I experienced a lot of things. So many things happened in a year, especially about people. People come and go. I experienced that more than once in a year, which is crazy. Something that I took from the experience, I want to apply give and take. Relationship can be so nice and secure if both parties are also secure. I know it's really hard to talk about this to the public, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Heart.